Breaking news. Clash erupted in Longashuk and Lenya counties in Upper Nile and Central Equatoria. On August 20, 2025, heavy clashes have broken out between the South Sudan People Defense Forces (SSPDF) and the Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition SPLA in different parts of the country, sparking fear and displacement. SPLA is led by Dr. Riek Machar, the first vice president, and SSPDF led by Salva Kiir Mayardit, the president of South Sudan. Fighting in Longashuk County, according to report, the SSPDF launched an attack on the SPLA headquarters in Longashuk County early in the morning at 8 a.m. SPLA forces intercepted an advancing SSPDF unit outside Matiang, leading to ongoing clashes that later spread into Matiang town. Witness said heavy gunfire could be heard from far away, and many Nuer civilians have fled their home. The situation in Matiang remains tense as SPLA fighters, joined by army youths, continue to maintain presence inside the town. So far, no casualties have been officially confirmed in Matiang. In separate incident in Lenya County, Central Equatoria, fighting also broke out yesterday, August 27, 2025. SPLA forces say they stopped two coordinated attacks from the SSPDF in Jamara Saba and Limoro. The SPLA spokesperson, Lieutenant Colonel Lampol Gabriel, reported that SSPDF soldiers attempted to advance toward their position but were later repelled. He confirmed that two government soldiers were killed and several others wounded in the clashes. The renewed fighting in both Upper Nile and Central Equatoria highlight the fragile state of the South Sudan peace process. Thousands of civilians remain at risk of displacement as clashes continue. The struggle continues, Colonel Lampol Gabriel declared in a statement from SPLA General Headquarters.